And we're pleased to bring our sound equipment here today to support your rally. And I want to give the solidarity of Birmingham Stop the War Coalition.
Hadin balak pelong ya ketika rally daki nang India ke bersang basa apa ketika nang Birmingham bat ke rally kedai persya ya ke jing ben ya ki red pat apa kari India bat kamtam ya ke jing ya ke jia apa ke jela Manipur ha ketika jing ya rally newe upareng ubadai unang England ubadai napa ketika nang Birmingham hi luan join lang ha ketika rally haringkat kiwe pat ki pareng neu pareng ula ajing keren ru apa ketika rally ulang baka jingjia apa ke jela Manipur ke jingjia apa kari India ha ke baki red pipe bunsin ke syak target kalong ke ka ba amla ban mudur ha kane ke emlang salang ke ba menta neu pareng ya ubala tep kerteng kumta ustua Richardson udai artat usketeri jangkawai ke seng ka ba dei pet ya kalan syong suk syong sain jangka perthai barok kawai neu pareng ulang baka apa kari India menta kadai kari kaba om singanchu pat kari kabam dan kajing song suk song san wala kataru kari India kadai kari kaba head utam kumata kari kabadannya kataka jing sin syar pai ba henry kabalang lingo pat kalang ba laban modor baka jingnya klumar ka jingnya snam kadai kaba juci man kipor hapo kari India.
And we're pleased to bring our sound equipment here today to support your rally. And I want to give the solidarity of Birmingham Stop the War Coalition to this rally of the Indian Workers Association, Christian groups and ethnic minority people from India. On Sunday, I spoke at a rally for the PTI about the imprisoning of and now the banning of Imran Khan, who seemed to be